Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I think today we're going to be probably doing some more blocking. We got the fenders, we got the hood. If you were with us last week, you seen us prime the bed. That's all ready to be final sanded, ready for paint. We got the doors over here inside the booth. They're just kind of hanging out in there. We got the tailgate. We got to get all that stuff blocked out. Kind of thinking that the fenders may need some another coat of primer, but I think everything else should be pretty good. So I'm thinking I'm going to start with the fenders, see where we get there. Maybe spraying some primer today. I don't know. We're just going to be kind of, blocking shit out, getting shit ready for paint, so we can get this whole thing assembled. We got most of the chassis put back together. There's a few things I need to go back over. But other than that, yeah, we're coming along. So I'm going to put you up on the tripod and start doing some blocking. All right, so here's what we're working with. Here's our blocks. Got a couple different sizes. These fenders, we're starting out with some 180. Block those down, see what they look like. See if there's any low spots or, if we break through anywhere. And then I'll probably hit it with some of this 220. And then final sand, wet sand of 400 grit. And that's probably where we'll leave it to paint it, is 400. So I'm going to get this shit out of the way and start blocking. Well, that wasn't too bad. Took me about a half hour. I blocked out the whole fender with 220. I started with 180. Everything seemed pretty good, so I just switched over to 220. There was no reason to do 180. Fender was straight. So I got another coat of guide coat on there that'll fill in all the 220 scratches, and that'll let me know once all them 220 scratches are gone. So like I said, I think I'm gonna wet sand 400 over this, and after that it'll be ready for paint. But I don't feel like getting wet right now, so I'm just gonna keep dry sanding. We're gonna keep going on 220 pretty much probably all day. So here we go. All right, guys, this is the part everybody hates, but This is the part that makes the paint job look good. It's the final prep. It's all the blocking. We've gotten through both fenders. This one obviously needs a reprime. We've gotten through the tailgate. We did the cowl panel. The tailgate, I think, is going to need a reprime. We got through one door. It don't look bad, but I think I'm just going to throw a couple of coats on it. So, you know, I want everything laser straight. We're about to start on the other door here. I mean, after this door, all we got left is the hood and the bed, which is a lot, but we're making progress. Like I said, man, this is the part everyone hates. It's just, you know, part of the job. Just got to get it done. All right, guys, pretty much got everything blocked out. I think I'm just gonna reprime everything. Everything was pretty straight. There was a few low spots, but like I said, man, I want this thing to be laser straight. So we're gonna do a couple, 2-3 coats of feather fill more on everything. Got the 2 doors here. Fender there, tailgate, other fenders somewhere else. We got the hood over here. Like I said, couple spots on that. Pretty good though, overall. All the parts have only been primed once. So, the bed you seen last week, obviously. It's been primed, blocked, fixed some bad spots, reprimed. So I'm really hoping that the bed is real good, because I don't really want to reprime the bed again. But I will if I have to. So I think that's where we're going to end it off today, guys. I wish I had some more time to prime these today, but I don't. I actually think I have to get some more primer. We're going to be going on our 3rd gallon of feather fill for this project. So, yeah. Have a good night.